You can create a UML class diagram directly inside Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs. To build a diagram that you can reuse across multiple pages, click the plus icon on a node and choose New Component Page. A new diagram component will be created under that node, and you'll be asked to select the type of diagram you want. Choose Class Diagram, and the diagram editor will open. You can start modeling from scratch, or use the Create with AI option in the top right corner to generate a diagram automatically. Just remember that generating with AI will replace any existing content in the diagram. Once the AI diagram is generated, you can refine it and continue designing as needed. When you're done, click Save at the top right, then use the left arrow to close the editor. Your class diagram is now ready to be reused anywhere in your document. To insert it into a page, open the page in edit mode and click Insert. Choose Diagram, then select Import Existing. Pick your class diagram, and it will be added to the page. If you don't need the diagram to be reused elsewhere, you can also create it directly inside a page. Go to Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Class Diagram. The editor will open, and you can create the diagram manually or generate it with AI. Again, you can refine it as needed. When you finish, click Save, close the editor, and the class diagram will appear right inside your page.